Okay, well. Okay. Time to get back. Boop. Oh my god, that's loud. Look at that. Pretty nice. What even nice is I made this. Very nice. This is my pictures anyways. How do I enter my picture? Just come. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, made the little guy. Now he has a shadow. Yay. And I'm gonna. That did absolutely nothing. Look at this masterpiece. Yeah, look like nothing, but it looks something to me. Let's see. Forgot I even painted this. It's a little hard to get those without even getting anything else, but oh my, since when did I take that picture? And look at that, the picture you saw. Actually, not a picture, that one. The painting, what am I doing? I'm gonna title this, How to Paint a Rainy Cloud. What? I have 2 pictures of it. What? Oh well. Beep. And got a picture of a cloud. It looks rainy, but not rainy enough. And I took a picture of that. And anyway, I'm gonna make rainy cloud. How to make it? You don't need. Oops, I need a mop though. Is you'll need this, oops, and this, and you'll need your mop. How do I get started? I have no space left. Literally. Okay, I guess I can paint the wall. Do that. Do that. Okay. Now you'll need a clean brush. I have a dirty brush. Clean that. Scrub on the wall, floor. When you walk on wet paint, your foot will get dirty. Not happening today though. You'll need blue. You'll need blue first. And you'll need to do this with a bigger brush because I did a mistake. And I have no idea if it works in real life because this is just a game. And I need another brush. Hold on. Ah. Yes, beautiful. Pink brush? Okay. Say so. Oh. There you go. We just need a little of that. And you squub-dub the wall. Squub-dub the wall. And once you're done with that, go take out your trusty... what is this? Oh, not that. What is this? Your trusty, something. Trusty thing that you smear with cement. And you'll need to get a little bit. And then go on top, and then you do that. Make like a W. I mean an M. Now you'll need white. Do not make. And there we go. How you make it rainy? You can add a little more of this. And then you need to take this out again just to paint the lower side. And you'll need your mop. There you go. It looks like clear rain. Hope you like it. And now, actually, let's take a picture of that first. Where's my camera? Okay. Doesn't look that good. Who cares? Just a painting. Alright. Hope you like it. Now enjoy your life.